Hello students, today we will see if different type of series are given to us, right? Then how we can solve the numericals for arithmetic mean. Now when I am talking about different series, earlier I have told you about three series, that is individual, discrete series and then continuous series. Today I will tell you about more series. These are different from that one. So the very first series is in case of open end series. Now what is open end series? You can see the statement. Here x is given and the very first class interval, it is written below 10, right? Only 10 is given, but what is below 10 is not given. Then the series is complete in between 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and in the last, in the end also you can see it is given above 60. So only the first class interval is below 10 and the last interval is also above 60. Now how we can complete this series? Of course f will be given to you, right? How we can complete this series? Just see from first in the second class interval, what is the difference between 10 to 20? The difference between 10 to 20 is 10. 20 to 30, what is the difference? 10 only. So in the whole series, the difference is going on 10, right? Below 10 means which value should be there? Which should be 10 less than this 10. 10 less than 10 means 10 minus 10. So it will come as 0. So here the lower limit will be 0. 0 to 10 again, what will be the difference? 10 only, right? So in the last only it is above 60. We need the limit which is above 60. How much above 60? 10. It should be 10 above 60. 10 above 60 means 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Now what is the difference? 60 minus 70 is equal to 10. So you can see in the whole series the difference is 10. Now the series is complete, right? It has become continuous series, right? Now what we can do? You can apply any formula, shortcut, direct or step deviation. Let me tell you one thing. You can see about this series, x is 0 to 10. The very first class is ending at 10 and the next class is starting from the same value 10 only, right? Where the first class is ending, the second class is starting from the same only. This means the upper value of the second class is same the lower value of third class. Same 30 is the maximum for third class and it is 30 is the same lower for the fourth class. So you know the series is going in a continuous way. Now this type of series is known as exclusive series. Exclusive series where the first class interval is ending, the second class interval is second from the same digit only. Now in case of inclusive series, you see here we are having one statement, x is 0 to 9, right? The first class interval is ending at 9, but the second class interval is starting by 10. Now this and this are not matching, right? When these are matching, we are calling it exclusive series. If these are not matching, right? Now this is 19 and next one is starting from 20, again not matching. So when last of class interval is not similar to the lower of the next class interval, this series is known as inclusive series. So even if this type of series will be given to you, right? Then what we have to do, we will take the just mid value. As we are taking in the case of exclusive series or continuous series, we just have to take the mid values. After we take mid value, we can apply any formula, right? Then we are having in case of cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency distribution, you see x is given and x is given less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35 and less than 40. So the whole x is given in the form of less than, right? Only this 5, 10 is given but the other class limit is not given. And of course we are given with number of students. Now this number of students will not be F. This will be considered as CF, cumulative frequency. When the X is in the form of less than or more than series, whatever the frequency will be given to you, the same frequency will be cumulative frequency and will be CF. Now you see here, whatever the values are there, number of students, it is 4, 10, 20, 30, 55, 77, 95 and 100. All the values in F are increasing. So this is an indication that CF is given. If all the values are increasing or if all the values of frequency are decreasing, this is the indication that cumulative frequency is given. In frequency, sometimes the value increases, sometimes the value decreases. It does not go in a similar way. So, but when CF is given, it goes in a same way. Either it should be increasing or it should be decreasing. When cumulative frequency series is given, then we need to change the series into simple exclusive series. Now, how we are going to make it simple exclusive series? 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. What is the difference going on? The difference is going on 5, right? So, here it is given 5. So, there is the indication that whatever the number will come here, that should be less than 5. But how much less than 5? We have to see that the series is changing by 5 only. So 5 minus 5, this will be 0 to 5. The next number should be 5 less than 10, right? It will be 5. The next number should be 5 less than 15. It is 10. Next number it should be 5 less than 20. So it will be 15. So these intervals we will create after taking the 5, 5 interval, 5 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 15 minus 5, 20 minus 5, 25 minus 5, 30 minus 5, 35 minus 5 and 40 minus 5. So we have created a series 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and so on. But here as F is CF, so we need to change cumulative frequency into frequency, simple frequency. So the very first less than 5 is 4. This we will take in the same way only, right? Next is 5 to 10. We will take 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So the next frequency is 6. 10 to 15, 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Next is 30 minus 20. That is equal to 10. 55 minus 30, 25. 77 minus 55, 22. 95 minus 77, 18. And 100 minus 95 is equal to 5. Now, this is the statement. We have transformed the cumulative frequency series into a simple continuous series or simple exclusive series. So, after taking this, we will take the mid value and then we can carry on the numerical with the formulas we have already done. Right? Next combined mean we are going to start in the next video. Thank you.